Which river has the largest discharge volume in the world? Lake Baikal in Russia is famous for being the world's Which river flows through city of Budapest? Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall, is located in Which African lake is primary source of White Nile? The Mississippi River ultimately drains into Which lake is the largest freshwater lake by surface area? The Three Dongan Dam is built on which river? Victoria Falls lies on the border of Zambia and Which river is considered the longest in Europe? An aquifer is best described as Which river forms most of the border between United States and Mexico? Lake Titicaca is located between Peru and The Mekong River originates in Which waterfall system lies between Argentina and Brazil? The Aral Sea has dramatically shrunk due to Which river passes through Cairo? The world's largest river delta is formed by Ganga and Which Great Lake is entirely in the USA? Groundwater stored between impermeable layer is called Which river drains the largest basin in the world? Lake Tanganyika is located in which continent? The Rhine River flows into which sea? Niagara Falls is located between United States and Which river is sacred to millions of Hindus? The world's largest artificial lake by surface area is The drainage basins refer to Which river flows through Baghdad? Lake Chad is shared by several countries in which continent? The Congo River is notable for being the world's waterfall is located on the border of Canada and USA? The Danube River empties into which sea? Which country contains most of the Lake Victoria? What is the primary source of groundwater recharge? The Colorado River is famous for carving. Which river flows through Paris? The Lake Balkan is located in? The Indus River originates near? Which river is often called the Yellow River? An oxbow lake forms through? Which lake is the world's largest inland body of water? The Zambezi River hosts which famous waterfall? Which river flows through Vienna, Bartolessia, Budapest and Belgrade? The Okawanga Delta is located in? Which groundwater feature naturally releases water to the surface? The Yenisei River flows into which ocean? Which country has the largest share of Amazon River basin? Lake Mead was created by the construction of? The Murray-Darling Basin is located in? Which river forms a major part of the border between Germany and Poland?